Sometimes, managing Magento to store is not enough to satisfy your business objectives. As a merchant, you want to drive more traffic, sell more products, and increase your conversion rates. This could be easily achieved with one of the most popular distribution channels, Google Shopping. Today, we'll show you how you can easily create a product feed for Google Shopping with no technical skills. All you need is Magento to Google Shopping feed extension by Magefan, which is both cost-effective and pretty straightforward. Just go to Stores, Configuration, Magefan extension, Google Shopping feed, and start creating your feed. Specify the feed title and description in the General section. Then there is the attribute mapping. It defines what product fields in Magento correspond to product fields in Google Merchant Center. But in fact, you don't have to do anything, since we've got you covered. Magefan has already mapped all of the required fields, so if you want, you can just extend the attribute list or set your own values. Or just move on to the next section, which is Product Filter. After you map the attributes, you have to define what products to export to Google Shopping. Obviously, you don't need to promote all of them. That's why you can filter them with a set of product filters. To assess the effectiveness of your sales, you need to set the UTM parameters for product URLs in the feed. Once you finish, save config and the extension will automatically generate the product feed for all of your websites or store views. Was it hard? Creating product feeds for Google Shopping is easy with the Magefan product feed solution. Visit magefan.com to find out more about this extension and check all of the benefits we offer you.